funky music coming from that boat. I was singing. This is Fraser and this is Katie. And my headphones are just kind of straight dangling out my coat. How do I take this out? What is going on? I'm making a video. So you guys will be famous on YouTube. So guys, what are we doing? What are we doing? Tell me.
Oh, is this video?
Oh, video.
Yeah. Today we're going to Blackie's Firework.
Yeah!
And basically everybody's really hyped about dancing, which is this crap place, and we're like, Blackie's and by sunshine was my life and rise and I called it someone's baby, but the passengers they know right from wrong. And people sit down and you're rocking boat, and people sit down and you're rocking boat. And the moon take off, sit down, you're rocking the boat.
Oh my days, look, there's the horses. The police horses. They're exciting. Okay, let's go.
Basically,
what do we just get?
Man just came past and he's a stripsel man, and they were like, free strip sales, and then we just got these.
Oh my days, they're exciting.
So happy. Oh, so you're going to put it back to you? Are you going to see it?
I don't want it mine anymore.
I'm quite feeling the fun this time.
That is vile.
I can't remember what it is, right? What is it?
I thought you should dance. Come on. But no, I will not.
I'm not going to dance, just quiet.
Okay. Hey guys, I'm good. Hello! Oh, wow, that is some painting.
What are you doing me?
Oh my days, it's our maidly. Oh my days! Okay. Oh my days, it's a lantern. So easy.